Good morning everyone. My topic is, I am Ojasvi Sharma from class CS1. My topic is project plan. In this topic we will be covering introduction to project plan, second meaning of project planning, third importance of project plan, fourth project life cycle, fifth types of project planning, sixth steps in project planning process, seventh how to implement a project plan, eighth advantages of project planning. First, introduction to project plan. Project planning is a crucial part of the project management life cycle. Planning comes with right after the project ideation phase. It steers as well as helps the stakeholders navigate the path to successful project's delivery. Second, meaning of project planning. Project planning means designing a project management plan that is known as formal approved document that describes the systematic plans that will be used in the implementation phase of the project plan. Importance of project plan. Project planning is important because it is statement of how and when a project's objective are to be achieved by showing the major products, milestones, activities and resources required for the project. The objective of the project plan are to document planning assumptions and decisions. It also facilitates communication among stakeholders, document approved scope, cost and schedule baselines. A project plan may be summarized or detailed. A project plan is a formal approved document used to guide both project execution and project control. What is the project life cycle? Basically, project life cycle has 5 points: initial plan, planning, execute, monitor and control, and close. This is the diagram of project life cycle. Types of project planning. Scope planning, preparing the work breakdown structure, WBS, project schedule development, resource planning, budget planning, procurement planning, risk management, quality planning, communication planning, stakeholder management planning. Steps in project planning process. First, project charter. This is a formal document that describes the objective and stakeholder of a project. Project schedule. Project schedule defines the time frame for the project using various scheduling tools. Project resource. The component defines the equipment and human capital required for a project, which includes technology, third-party providers, staffing solutions and material goods. Project quality. Project quality is directly associated with the satisfaction that the final delivery achieves. Project communication. The project reporting mechanism keeps the stakeholders and management up to date about the developments. How to implement a project plan. Establish the project scope, define requirements and resources, designate a team, set a schedule, assign quality parameters, define risk and coping strategies, devise a communication plan. Now the advantages of project planning. Provides direction, assign responsibilities, optimize resource usage, fourth mitigates risk, fifth cultivates knowledge. Now provides direction. What does this mean? A well-planned project provides the right direction for you and your team. The clears always the confusion in performing tasks and give you a clear roadmap instead. Assign responsibilities. Project planning helps in fixing the accountability of the stakeholders. It lays out the roles and responsibilities of each member of the project team. Optimizes resource usage. Planning allows project leaders to allocate resource appropriately. It ensures that the project does not fail just because resources dry up in the middle of the process. Mitigates risk. Planning imparts a certain degree of foresight to stakeholders regarding the possible risk. Cultivates knowledge. Each project is unique and challenging. Project planning helps your employees showcase their talent and also increase the knowledge pool of the company. Thank you. Show my face.